Hello, lovies. For those of you who are new, I'm Gina. For those of you who are coming back to see me again and do a DIY with me, thank you. I appreciate it so much. So, I'm still on the Temu craze where I'm hacking expensive fashions for less. And I saw this Free People Moonglow velvet jacket. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And I said, let me see if I could hack this jacket using Temu products. So this is what I got. I got this velvet jacket for, I think it was 15 bucks. And I ordered this iron-on trim, so that I could give the jacket the embroidered look throughout, like the Free People jacket. And then I got the fur to put it all on here and hack that look. So let's get started. Here is the jacket, and here is the fur, and all the supplies are listed below in the description box. And here's my iron-on embroidery. Now I'm just figuring out the placement of my embroidery to get that same look that I love about the Moonglow jacket. After you're happy with the placement of your embroidery, you're going to take either a tea towel or a piece of fabric, and you're going to lay it on top of the embroidery, and with a very hot iron you're going to press it down. You cannot iron directly on velvet, you will ruin the fabric. You must put a fabric over the iron-on patch or the iron-on embroidery. Give it a couple seconds to cool and lift the fabric. And if you find anything that is not adhered, then you can just put the fabric back on, like I found a piece here, and you can apply heat to it again. So this is what I have so far. I did the front of the jacket, and now I'm going to do the sleeves. Here's how it's looking so far, and I'm loving how it's coming out. And now I'm going to do the back of the jacket. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel so that every time I post a cool hack like this, you'll be the first to know. And leave me a comment below. Let me know, did I hack this jacket or did I fail? I'd love to know your opinion. I pinned the fur along the seam allowance, pinning the underneath part, and then I'm taking it over to my machine and I'm just going to sew that. Now I am pulling the fur around to the front part of the jacket. The underneath is sewed by machine, but this part I'm going to hand sew. So I'm pulling that ribbon and I am wrapping it around to the front like so, and I am just going to do a little stitch, an invisible stitch along the edge, all around the entire jacket, around the front, the neckline, and the sleeves. Thanks for watching.